guys, we're here at Sungka Native Restaurant located at Cordova, Cebu, Philippines. So ganyan siya from parking. So ayan may entrance na sa mga tables. So, para siyang fish pond na may mga tables sa gitna. So you can have your meal with the fishes. So, ayan, while ordering the food, yung mga kids, tingin-tingin sa mga fish, and you can ask for the feeds, parang 20 or 25 pesos each yung maliliit na lalagyan container for food for the fishes.
Kambal, spy! Kambal! Slowly lang yan. Slowly lang kay mga tagak, oh. Kaya. Oy! Oy, grabe, oy. Gutom yan! Gutom daw sila. Sila.
So, at eto na nga, dumating na yung food namin. So, as usual, for the kids, barbecue, chicken, at may konting salad for me, and sabaw, juice, and halo-halo. At si Kuya, medyo malapit kami sa sound system, kaya na-overwhelm siya sa lakas ng sounds nila, but eventually, na-okay naman siya after at continuously kumain. Thank you for watching, guys. Disclaimer, late upload po ito. Bye, God bless.